Staphylococcus epidermidis. This is the tiny bacterium that has basically claimed your skin as its permanent home. And there are millions of them on you right now. It lives in the moist corners of your body, quietly feeding on the oils and dead cells you shed without even noticing. The surprising part is that it works like a bouncer at a club, crowding out nastier germs and keeping more dangerous invaders from settling in. So while it sounds unsettling, this little squatter is actually one of the reasons your skin doesn't fall apart under attack every single day. Demodex mites. These are microscopic, 8-legged creatures that live head down inside the pores and hair follicles of your face. Almost every adult human carries them, and they are especially fond of your eyelashes and the sides of your nose. During the day, they stay tucked away, but at night, they crawl out across your skin to feed and find mates while you sleep peacefully. And here is the truly strange twist. They have no way to release waste, so they simply store it their entire lives and release everything at once when they die on your face. Malassezia. This is a type of yeast that thrives on the greasy, oily regions of your skin, like your scalp, forehead, and back. It feeds directly on the sebum your body produces, essentially treating your natural oils as an all-you-can-eat buffet. When it gets a little too comfortable and multiplies, it is the usual culprit behind flaky dandruff and certain itchy patches. Most of the time, though, it just coexists with you silently, part of the invisible ecosystem you carry everywhere you go. Skin flora fungi. Beyond the yeast, your skin hosts a whole rotating cast of fungi that shift depending on where you look on the body. Your feet alone can shelter dozens of different fungal species, which is exactly why they tend to be the most crowded real estate on your entire body. Warm, dark, and damp, the spaces between your toes are basically a luxury resort for these organisms. Scientists mapping the skin have found that your heel can host more fungal variety than nearly anywhere else on you. Viruses on the skin. Your skin is also coated in an invisible layer of viruses, far more than most people ever imagine. Many of these are bacteriophages, viruses that don't attack you at all, but instead hunt and destroy the bacteria living on your surface. In a way, they act like a microscopic security team, keeping the bacterial populations in balance so no single group takes over. It means your skin isn't just a battlefield, it is a fully functioning wilderness, with predators, prey, and constant quiet warfare happening on top of you. Sweat-eating bacteria. Certain bacteria have made a living specifically by feasting on the sweat you produce throughout the day. On its own, fresh sweat is almost completely odorless, which surprises a lot of people. The smell we associate with body odor only appears after these bacteria break the sweat down into pungent byproducts. So the next time you catch an unpleasant whiff after a workout, remember, it isn't really you, it's the millions of microbes throwing a feast at your expense. Dead skin cells. Every single day, your body sheds an enormous number of dead skin cells, and they are quite literally everywhere around you. You lose somewhere around 30 to 40,000 of them every hour, which adds up to about a pound of skin lost each year. A large portion of ordinary household dust is actually made up of these flakes you've shed while going about your life. And for all the tiny creatures on and around you, this constant snowfall of dead cells is a reliable and endless food supply. Face mites' relatives in eyelashes. Tucked right into the base of your eyelashes lives a specialized branch of the mite family that is adapted to that exact spot. They spend their whole lives clinging to individual lashes, feeding on the oils and cells gathered at the follicle. You have likely never felt them, never seen them, and yet they have been steady companions since you were young. Strangely, for most people, they cause no harm whatsoever and simply exist as another unnoticed part of the crowd you carry. Fungal spores. Floating through the air and settling onto your skin constantly are fungal spores, the tiny seeds fungi use to spread. They land on you throughout the day, waiting for the right combination of warmth and moisture to take hold and grow. Most of them never get the chance, brushed away or outcompeted before they can establish anything. But it means your skin is a continuous landing zone, catching invisible passengers with every step you take outdoors. Transient bacteria. Not every microbe on your skin actually lives there, and this last group is just passing through. These transient bacteria hitch a ride from doorknobs, phones, handshakes, and every surface you touch during the day. Unlike your permanent residents, they usually can't survive long on your skin and get washed away within hours, which is a comforting thought because it means a simple hand wash really does clear out the temporary visitors, even if your loyal, lifelong tenants stay behind for good.